I wonder why they don't want to take you. I want to go fuck like this. Hey, I know him in there. Pull up. Yo. Skatta. Suck your mother, you. If I never catch you, come on the yard. When I put on that chronic now, I know it's a 3 hour. I want to put on one on the native then. Don't do that to you. 3 hours no front and front. It's a lifestyle moment regardless. Speak of the world, man.
Viewer subscribers, Popcaan, the unruly boss, is at it again. And this time the unruly boss was outside performing at Freedom Street concert. And people, me not tell a lie, Papi go off on Skatta Burrell. Wicked. Yo, Papi never hold back nothing. Him give Skatta the broadboard. It look like a Skatta get the first one for the 2025. Papi, you no normal. You bad. You wicked. You mad. You sicked. People, me no know what go on between Skatta and Papi, you know. But right now, me have Skatta Burrell a respond to Popcaan telling him to ask his mother. You see me? So wanna stay tuned. And me not gonna elaborate too long. Me can forward in a clip there and see what go on. People, me not tell no lie. There was never a dull moment with Popcaan performance at Freedom Street concert. Him deliver. Him performance did up a notch. It loud about the cloud. It's a lifestyle moment regardless. And people, right now we have Skatta Burrell. I respond to Popcaan dissing him at Freedom Street concert. And me not gonna talk too long. We can forward in a clip there and see what Skatta go on with.
Oh, I know say it easy for some man make certain utterance and get to it. And me as an individual, you normally pay them things in my mind. A man can tell me something my mother a million times. I'm overlook it. Because he's a man slow to react. See? However, on this occasion, I and my mother in the hospital. I've been in the hospital for a while. And a man now go take it up on him head. If you come tell me you suck my mother in a public space with thousands of people and expect say it will just get thrown under the rug because me is a promoter and me have a lot more followers than them. Enough time artists go up on stage and diss up the promoter and diss up certain people because they know say the promoter have to keep the peace. Because I feel them event and them have everything for lose. And I was faced with that situation first night. Big Freedom Street concert, Kartel's return. You see me?
Skatta, how are you really going? Because you not talk what go on, you know, because the man them say you have them out a gate for 3 hours. If you do that, Skatta, it's not a good look. It's not a big look. Popcaan an international superstar and Chronic Law they're on the verge of becoming an international superstar. Same way and you violate the man them thing like that. That no look good if you make the man them out the road for 3 hours. Me don't know if you do it, you know. You see me? But if you do it, why? Burn off that. That's why the man them get so dark. Darkness come down. And people, when I go talk too long, go forward in a clip and hear what I deal with.
And when I see that individual make that statement loud and proud, it put me in a dilemma right there, so. Because how me I go address this now? How me ever address this without mashing up the show? However, he's a man, blood run through my veins, see? I'm enough to deal with things. Man diss me publicly, I drag him under the stage and disrespect him back privately.
So people, they hear what Skatta say. The man basically I say, yo, Papi diss him publicly and him jag him under the stage and diss him back. So me don't know what go on. Because me don't see no clip or no video or me don't hear nobody that say, Papi get violate or what. So me don't know if it's an illusion Skatta Burrell living in or what. People, me not even going to talk too long. I can forward in a clip and hear my deal with.
I'm going to tell you something. Could I murder you on another stage? Eh? If you're watching them out, man. I found the youth and a real man nowadays, you know, because trigger finger action no make you man. Because all we can do them things. And no man know me from nowhere. If you pretend like say me and them are enemy or friend and I disrespect me. Because I don't disrespect people. So make it loud and clear, say yo. Anything you depend on that, me depend brother, but make sure say when you do something, it not done. Cause all when me 6 feet under the ground, it not done. Remember, I might honor me I talk about. Cause I can't face my son if I'm gonna go jump up on my honor. He's a real man. Big up everybody still will turn out for the show. Don't let this be a mar on the whole project. It was wonderful. And I respect all the players, everybody on the team, you know. Big up Vybz Kartel. You did everything to make this thing a success. Respect. I'm out.
So people, that was Skatta Burrell clearing the air and Popcaan dissing him at Freedom Street concert. And people, when you hear what Skatta Burrell say go on, the man saying Jack Popcaan on the stage and disrespect him back. So I don't know what go on. I don't know if I illusion Skatta living or what, because I don't see no violation or no video or no clip of Skatta and Popcaan in a no rustle or no ruffle. And I know say to the amount of phone on there Freedom Street, somebody would have to catch that on a phone, talk to no people, and I'm not even going to talk too long. I can forward another clip here and see what go on.
If you Vybz Kartel, we're not there for no. Pussy, play a rhythm. I want to expel, man, we're not on a bumper class sense. You know. I don't respect our boss in our blood class stadium. Let me see some signal. Chuck. Who can this my dog? Make talk out sugar. Very nice, this a winner, man.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was a clip of Chronic Law, a wild up Skatta at Freedom Street concert. And people, me not tell no lie. Chronic Law and Popcaan get dark on Skatta Burrell. Unruly, ex-father dark. People, me I tell you to say, yo, and not no normal when they link up. Everywhere them turn up, it burn up. And them performance never normal. It loud about it cloud at one place at one part. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. No jokes, talk truth no people. And I'm not even going to talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers and all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them, all like Popcaan Unruly fans them, all like Skatta Burrell fans them. Spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Popcaan dissing Skatta Burrell and Joe at Freedom Street concert, and what you also think about Skatta had to say about Popcaan and what he did after he dissed him at Freedom Street. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool. Yeah man, I want to see all like Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them, all like Popcaan Unruly fans them, all like Skatta Burrell fans them, and all like dancehall fans them. Spam up the comment section and make me know what go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Cian, and I'm out.
Cian Entertainment Review. Cian Entertainment Review. Yeah, Cian Channel Art. Dog, me say them eat art. Cian Channel Art. Yeah, me say them you see I know the prayer. Don't know how big it and I represent for see and entertainment reviews. What we have to stay attention when them on the drop news. Remember to subscribe to him channel, like and comment and share to a friend. I be give we outside.